Yay, kids!
Look! Someone left me a gift, and on there it says, Gift Week Number 1. I can't wait to take it inside and open it up. Let's go, guys! Are you guys ready to open up the gift and see what's inside? Look, I even got a card. Gift Week Number 1. It says, a gift from a special friend. Oh, I wonder who it is. Let's go and open up the gift. Oh, wow, look at all the stuff I got in here. Do you guys want to see? I got some candies. They're sweethearts. I love sweethearts. Oh, and look at this. Noise, Putty. Wonder what kind of noise it makes. Oh, how embarrassing. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with that. And then let's see what this is. Oh, it's Doc Mucstuffin. And all of her kit and her medical stuff. Look at this, so she can fix toys. Oh, I love this. Let me put it right here. And it comes with a special message. Let's see what this message says. It's a G, and an E. Oh, I know. The toy came in a special egg. It must be EGG. Egg. Oh, okay. Oh, and I got some Tic Tacs. Not just any kind of Tic Tac. It's Fruit Adventure Tic Tacs. These must be delicious. And then I got... Oh my goodness, look at this! It's such a beautiful butterfly box. Open it up. There's another message inside. And look, it's her friend Lambie. Doc Mucstuffin and Lambie. Oh, that's cute. Let's see what the message says. B-O-X. Oh, it says box. Because it came in a box. So it says egg and box. Oh, how cool. I'm going to have a blast tonight playing with my toys. Look, I have Doc Mucstuffin, I have Lambie, I have her medical kit. Let me go fix some toys. So thank you guys for joining Yay Kids, and hopefully I'll see you again next week when I get my second present. Yay! Alright, see you guys later.